Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a graphic novel with Wattpad, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Register for a Wattpad account if you don't have one. Visit the Wattpad website or download the app. Choose a unique username that reflects your identity as a writer. Log in to your account. Click on the Create button on the main dashboard. Select Story from the drop-down menu. Start by entering the title of your graphic novel. Write a brief description that captures the essence of your story. Determine the genre that best fits your graphic novel. Decide on a cover image that visually represents your work. Upload the chosen cover image. Begin drafting your story by writing the first chapter. Focus on creating visually engaging scenes through detailed descriptions. Incorporate dialogue that reveals character personalities. Consider pacing to maintain reader interest throughout the narrative. Use Wattpad's formatting tools to enhance the readability of your text. Add images or sketches to accompany your written content if applicable. Preview your chapter to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click Publish to share your chapter with the community. Engage with readers by responding to comments and feedback. Promote your graphic novel on social media to reach a wider audience. Consider joining Wattpad groups related to graphic novels for support and inspiration. Continue writing and updating your story regularly to maintain interest. Stay open to constructive criticism to improve your writing skills. Celebrate your progress and keep pushing forward with your graphic novel journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.